Have you ever wanted to ask for a discount in English, but you froze because you didn't know the right words? Today, I'll show you the exact phrases native speakers use to ask for a discount politely, without sounding rude or pushy. Let's jump into a real role play.
Customer. Excuse me, how much is this jacket?
Shopkeeper. This one is 3,000 rupees.
Customer. That's a bit expensive for me. Is there any discount available?
Shopkeeper. Well, I could give you a small discount. How about 2,700?
Customer. Could you do a little better? I'm buying 2 pieces.
Shopkeeper. All right, since you're taking two, I'll give it to you for 2,500 each.
Customer. That sounds fair. I'll take them, thank you.
Let's break down the key phrases you just heard. Is there any discount available? This is a polite, neutral way to ask. Works in almost any shop. Could you do a little better? This is softer than saying, lower the price, and shopkeepers respond well to it. That sounds fair. Use this to close the deal politely once you're happy with the price. Notice the customer never demanded. They asked politely, gave a reason, buying two, and stayed friendly. That's the secret to getting discounts without awkwardness. Now it's your turn. Comment below. How would you ask for a discount on something you want to buy this week? Use one of these 3 phrases in your comment. If this helped, hit subscribe. Every week I post real English conversations for shopping, interviews, and business. See you in the next video.